Yep. Indeed.
Oh my, dude, this is so bad. I hate it. I hate it. Ah, this is so bad. All right, bros and hams, hams, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies. I'm upside down. If you don't know, I'm here with Star-Lord, and he's from Australia. So I decided, hey, I'm gonna do the Australian challenge. You know, where I play upside down. He plays also upside down, but that's just because that's how he is. And where's the shop? Is that the right shop?
Yeah,
that is the right shop. Where's the stuff? Did you
I
get
got
bed
wood, by the
defense?
Yep.
Alright, yeah, I'll get TNT. This can't go bad. Wait, let me speed bridge. Wait,
Yeah, you might want to chuck in the TNT first, though.
Oh, maybe. Okay, you pick it up first, and I'll kind of just like...
Yep. Just
Where do I go?
that way.
That
way.
It's so bad.
That way.
I'm trying.
Towards the grey guy.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Where's the block, bro? No, wait, is that? Oh my gosh. Wait, no. No. It's so hard. I can't understand where anything is. I'm trying to hit the block, but it won't let me.
I thought about typing in chat that you're playing upside down.
Speed bridge. Yes.
My disappointment is immeasurable. Because I'm bad.
Don't hit me off. Don't hit me off, man. Dude, I can't see a thing. Oh, and our bed's broken. Okay, I think my one kill for this game was not gonna happen. Where's this guy? Bro, come out here, bro. Why is this guy trying to troll me, bro? Oh, I'm too good, bro. I'm too good. I'm too good. I killed the guy you couldn't, man. Oh, yeah.
No, I landed on a block. And I was like, oh yeah, I can jump up here, not looking at the half slab. So I walked to the left, not realizing that I was just on a block, on a random block. The other one's just there.
Oh no, dude, I was trying so hard. Yeah, so you might be thinking, yeah, like, oh, this isn't really a challenge. You're playing with a doubles teammate, and just gonna carry you. But I don't even understand. This guy sucks.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Dude, up is not up. I'm gonna fall off without even like.
Up is down, by the way.
I do realize that. And this guy's upside down pro over here. This guy knows exactly what he's trying to do. Alright. Coming over to you.
I got him, he got me.
Dude.
You've got an easy path to Aqua now.
Yeah.
Did you just jump?
No, he hit me. It's so pitiful. It's so bad. Dude, I can't read chat either because it's like upside down and it's so hard to read. I'm gonna distract them. Dude, I kinda need tools, bro. I'm gonna go into their gen and take it. No, wait. No, you let them get the bed, bro.
I hit him just as he got it just as I respawned.
Dude, this is so hard. I do not get how you play like this every day. I can kill him.
You got him.
No! He hit me off, bro. I can't even see where the edge of the map is. Oh, this is so hard. No problem. I'm gonna run after him. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's running. He's scared of the DoctorEpicness.
I'd be scared of a DoctorEpicness.
He's like level 400. He's probably decent. And then I just get comboed because I can't see a thing.
Don't worry, I finished him off. He's also...
That can be taken out of context. Okay.
Yep,
I'm gonna back up. We are going the other way now. Let's not die.
Yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. He has an iron sword, by the way.
Bro, you think it scares me? Combo! Oh, yeah! What? Dude, no one even stands a chance, dude. Not even a chance. There's another one.
Yeah, enjoy. This one actually has an iron
sword. Bang! No, I'm too good at the game, bro! Oh, dude. Everyone, oh, bow down.
Go take the bed.
Wait, is anyone at their
other one.
base?
No.
Alright, guys, right here. This is called the Epic Victory Royale. I got a bed. That's like...
He's already doing better than I am.
Yo, if I come in second, that's not bad, right? Like...
No, it's not.
I'm not... oh, wait, shoot. What? I'm going upside down on ladders. It's okay, bro. Red is, like, about to be eliminated.
One's dead.
Is
So
this
now
a
it's
gap?
kind of
I gotta jump it. That didn't work. No, why do you have to be there? He's there, man. Is he on top of me?
Yeah, he is.
Bro, stop it! Stop, bro! You just flawless me. I don't remember the last time I ever got flawless was. This man just got me. Hey, get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! What is this level, guy? 44? Why is he so good, man? Why is this level 44 so good? Yeah, get out here! Get out here! Get out here! No! I thought I was doing so well. What health was he at? Like 5 and 7, man.
Both dead.
Show off. Wait, what? How'd you get over there? You went up? Wait, is that up or?
I just break the blocks.
Nope. I couldn't, dude. Man, this hurts a lot. It's like it doesn't come naturally. It like I have to think about like what's up and what's down. It kind of hurts me a lot. See up there? He is. Let's go get him.
I just got flawless.
No, man.
Or at least very hard combo.
And they got her bed. Yeah, dude, let's go. No.
We both died.
People wonder why my FKDR is so low. It's because of this. It's because of this, I swear. So,
this kind of thing.
like other people be sweating. If I sweat, I can probably get like a 12 KDR. But no,
like a 36 FKDR.
But
But you come
like,
up with this kind of thing.
but I do this kind of stuff. All right, man. All right. That's not the right one again. Oh my gosh, bro. How many times am I gonna go to the wrong thing? Oh my gosh. The question is, how many? That's the wrong base. How many games do you think it's gonna take for like
multiple
before we win? Ooh, that's. Am I going the right way? Can't even tell anymore. Oh, well, I'm doing the. Breezely bridging. Is red coming to us?
Yeah, they are.
Bro, why are they doing that?
Because
Red. Oh, pink's here, man. Oh, I get one hit into the void. No. What? Did you see what happened?
I did. I very much did.
The one pillar, bro. I saw the pillar, and all I could think was, "Don't run into the pillar! Don't run into the pillar!"
And then, one thing you did
I
was
just
run into the
ran into the pillar, man. I was like, okay, so all I gotta do is when I get to the pillar, go left, and then the left was right, and I ran into it, man. Wait, there's a pink guy right here. Ugh. You better watch out. He better watch out, man. He better watch out. He gonna get bamboozled. He did not. Oh. Wait, if I killed the guy, I could have got a final kill, man. What did I? Is their bed gone? I thought I just thought it was gone.
Yeah, pink's out. I took their bed.
Oh, nice. It's so hard to reach at, man. You don't even know.
I'm very glad you.
Did I get him? I got him. I got him, dude. Let's go. I'm gonna get a final kill like this.
Ah, blues here.
Bink.
But they're bad.
Man, let's go. Get this kill right here. Nope. Final kill right here.
You got him. You got him. You got him. You got him.
How'd that come in?
Oh.
He's just toying with me, bruh. Half a heart. No, half a heart. No. Alright, we gotta run somewhere. Where are we running, man?
Come towards red with me.
I have to try not to fall in the process. There's like a gap here. Gaps are like my biggest challenge. I'm just gonna take this fall damage. Yep. I'll be on lookout for any other teams.
Cool.
Dude, I'm starting to get dizzy, man. It's like my eyes are like not having fun.
Yeah, because...
Hey, there's a guy coming. There's a guy coming, man. Dude, he was there. He was looking scary. He was looking scary, man.
Yeah.
He was looking scary up there. What's up, 53? How am I gonna compete with a level 53?
You're 150.
Shut up. Not today, I'm not. I hope you it's okay.
What?
Dude, not even close, man.
They did 4
You're
hearts to
weak.
me.
You're weak. Weak. I feel like my sight is limited, but then you have to realize it's literally the same thing. Is that white? Is white coming to me, man? Nah, man. I'm gonna get the red. I'm gonna get the red, bro. Just don't look at me, white. Don't look at me. Don't look at me, white. Just don't look over here, man.
Let me just check.
Alright. So we gotta look back at the island and then look up.
Hold up. Why do we have fast iron on Lighthouse?
Again? Dude, they've been changing Lighthouse like they've been changing Air Show, bro. They've been changing
Did they make Air Show fast iron?
Nah, they just been changing it. You didn't know that? I'm making a video about it soon. They've been changing Air Show, man. No one's noticed.
They've been changing one of the best maps.
Yeah, no one's noticed. No, this is called Get in the Bed 2.0. Nope. I didn't realize there. What level is he, man? Yo, I got this final kill right here. Hey, can you get him to like 1 tap and then I can just get the final kill?
Yeah, I reckon I can probably do.
Hey, there's someone on the bridge here. Someone on the. You gotta go faster, man. Yeah.
Awesome. Did you kill him?
Yes! Let's go, baby! Let's go! The baby, let's go!
Going to 10.
Call me the baby, cause let's go! Aqua's about to get clapped over here.
By whom?
Not me. So when does your next class start?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Cool. Yeah, so if you guys don't know, since he's in Australia, he has like school now. Kinda couldn't be me, man. And I'm on summer break right now, and this man doesn't even have a summer break right now because he's in like cold area. He's upside down, man. Dude, how you gonna be upside down, man? How you just gonna like be upside? Like,
Done, man.
Oh my gosh, man! Dude, you know how it feels to just like be like right side up? Feels pretty good.
It kind of hurts.
Ah! Wait, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
I have many questions for that man.
I'm alive. How do you get to our bed so fast? No. There were 2 of them. Alright guys, so that's the video. It's pretty great. I got a total of absolutely 1 final kill, and that's probably more than I should have had. Alright, so if you like this video, then you should probably like it, and if I get 50 likes, I'll do a part 2. Maybe I can get a win. You know, I'm slowly getting there. But yeah, so you have anything to say, Star-Lord, before you have to like go to class?
Subscribe. Is there anything you gotta do?
And that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, catch you later. Catch you on the flip side.